Morning. All right, y'all. I gotta leave out this morning, so I'm gonna try this flat belly smoothie and very simple ingredients. Okay, you got your water, you got your spinach, you got an apple. So you got the apple for fiber, also the spinach for fiber. Okay, and then you have the banana that's supposed to give you a boost of energy, okay? Instead of regular water, I'm gonna be using coconut water. So coconut water also give you energy, full of potassium. So the banana is full of potassium, give you energy as well. So that is what I'm going to be making this morning. Okay, so couldn't like hurry up. Couldn't sleep last night. For some strange reason. Then had another dream, weird dream. I don't even know. But okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the spinach first and kind of blend it. Okay, so it can be a little smoother. Okay. You know what? I'm going to do? I was thinking about, because I bought some pineapple. But we'll do that another time. We'll just stick to this recipe. I'm gonna do the pineapple when I get back. Alright, so cut up this apple. As you know, you can't put that whole thing in. You just can't do it. Some people will try, but not I. Okay. I wish I had a frozen banana. That would have been really better. Well, I don't say better, but at least it would have been a little creamier. I always had ice. I thought I had more lemon. So lemon that I found in the half a lemon that I found in the refrigerator, which means I'm gonna have to go buy more lemon now. Let's just add a cup of ice. More. It smells good. It's really good that way, but I think we're gonna kick it up a notch. All right. And instead of this sort of flat belly, so got a lot of fiber. And I think I'll turn this around. I just want to pick it up a little notch. Yeah, let me turn this first. Now you could have did it the way the first way, but it's just like something was missing. So that's why I'm gonna do it this way. Let's just top off, y'all. Make sure you don't rush it off, especially if you don't have time and you're rushing like me. You don't rush it off because it's going to be hard to clean and get back. Alright, so I'm making a mess, y'all, because I am trying to rush. That stuff over the cup. Okay. We're gonna blend it one more time. Sorry, y'all. I am rushing, but you get the idea of what I'm doing. I'm rushing. Okay. You can taste everything high in fiber. You can taste it. It needed to blend a little smoother. Okay, I didn't want it to be too slushy. Okay, I feel like I got something on my face. I want it to be a little, not too watery, not too thick. Yeah, just right, just right, just right. See, here we go, it's just right. All right. Ta-da! Yes, that's it. Yes, that's great. That's so good. Sweet. Look, if you forgot what I put in there, pineapple, mango, spinach, Granny Smith apple. I added coconut water. Yes, this is wonderful. So great. Flat belly smoothie in the morning time. You get your fiber from your apple. You got the fiber from the spinach. You got the potassium from the banana, potassium from the coconut water, energy from banana. Also, you're going to get that boost of energy, hydration from the coconut water. Yes, and then you got the pineapples, which is great for your body, as well as mangoes. Right, so simple and easy. So y'all, yes, that is what I am having this morning. And I am in a rush. So I'll be taking this. Some left. I'll be taking this with me as well. See? Some left over. Okay. Alright, so if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell to be notified. Also, leave your positive vibes down below. But y'all, another simple, easy smoothie. Yeah, don't forget to include 30 minutes of your exercises along with your smoothies. Okay, if you can't do it this morning, make sure you include it. Do it before you go to bed. Do it whenever you can. Alright, y'all. Alright, so I will be seeing y'all later. Peace.